Hi guys, Ronnie here. Welcome back to the table of content. Welcome back guys to another tutorial here at the table of content during Pride Month. Excuse me, Pride Month is come and gone, but once again, we're keeping it going. As long as the rainbows be flowing, we're gonna be going. So, in today's video, if you couldn't already tell by the title, we are gonna be recreating my drag look from Pride. Pride video will be coming back later, but Pride for a moment, my gosh, Pride was so much fun. But today we are gonna be creating this look right here from Pride, the rainbow eyes. They are so gorgeous and I love them. Gonna be recreating this rainbow eye look. So here we go. We're gonna be starting off with this rainbow inspired Pride look today. So with your favorite palette, mine, we're gonna be going back in with the Trending in Tokyo for my first splatter paint rainbow look. We're gonna be dipping into this red right here. And again, we're gonna be doing red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, just as before, so it follows the rainbow. So let's get started. So, how was your guys' Pride Month? I know this video is a little bit late. I'll go into detail later about why that is, but how was everybody's Pride? Did you get to do some rainbow stuff? Get to meet some drag queens or drag kings? Like, how was it? Like, let me know in the comments down below. My Pride Month was a lot of fun. And next to my first Pride, 2021 was definitely my favorite. Like, oh my god, where do I even start? This year's Pride was definitely very different in a good way. I had a lot more insight into the background, into the mechanics of how Pride worked for Queen City Pride, hence why you saw the shirt in the beginning. It's like Queen City Pride 2021. It went off without a hitch, and I don't want to spoil too much because I'm not going into a lot of detail. That'll be saved for another video. This is supposed to be this one, but I will say that among the heat, it was just a day full of love, acceptance, and just absolute friendship and like just happiness all around. That's the best way to describe it. It's just pure happiness. But to focus us back now to this look, all I am doing is focusing more of the colors on the brow bone. So that way, because we're gonna be cutting this eye with the crease. So going again from left to right, my right, your left. Gonna be stamping these in and slowly blending them. You can get them on the eyelid, but again, we're more focused on the brow bone and into the inner corner, kind of like that. Kind of see how it kind of blends all together. And we will be cutting this crease momentarily, but just to make sure that you get all these colors on here. Good, okay, not too bad. This yellow, definitely hard to work with, but as most yellows are. All right, then same as before in past, we are gonna be cutting the crease. So we're gonna take your favorite concealer. I'm gonna be using the Jeffree Star Concealer C7. So get that a little bit on your brush. And then the trick, remember, as I said, so you put it right there on your lid, blink up. Now you can kind of see like where that outline's gonna be. So we're gonna carve this out and cut this crease. Okay, just like that. Just so that way the colors are all kind of melded together up top, and that way you got that nice cut crease to make way for some sparkle. All right, so I just laid down the powder, the translucent powder to set the concealer, and then on top of that, I took some white from the cremated palette of Jeffree Star to just set that in place and make it a little bit more brighter. It'll help brighten the glow they're about to put on. So this is e.l.f. This is liquid shadow that I was in the store and wanted to try it out. I'm like, oh, I got a few more colors that might make their way on the channel, but this one we're gonna be using clear. And so kind of, how would I explain this? More like just like a gel kind of consistency. So with the applicator, you're gonna be placing it right on your eye. Oh, okay. You guys can see. So that is that, and that is how it applies. All right, and now you're gonna just mimic the top on the bottom lash line so we can meld it all together. I am using this powder underneath so it catches any of the fallout so that way you can dust it off later. So let's match the top to the bottom. Okay, so there we go. So the bottom now matching the top. We're gonna get this bake off. I am gonna quickly do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back to finish off this look. Lashes always pull this together. But here we go, guys. This is the Pride look that I pulled off just a few weeks ago as I killed it on that stage, strutting my stuff, putting on my Beyonce moves. But yeah, these are the eyes all done and finished. My lashes are long. Like, I don't think these can get any longer. Like, what do you think? But yep, this is the eyes all done and set. Now we're gonna be moving on to finish off these lips, and I'm just gonna be lining them with the Italia Deluxe in the color 1040 brown. So I am just going to line my lips and get that Cupid's bow and get the rest of these lips going. All right, and then as soon as you get those lips lined and set, I'm gonna be taking the, ooh yeah, this is the Sophia and Mabel, the Tinted Lip Balm. So this is kind of like a lighter shade, so I'm just gonna put that in the center. Okay, so leaving it nice and creamy. Bushy woman. But then finally, always have to have some gloss, and so we're gonna be going in with the NYX Lingerie Gloss. This is just in clear, just so we can give these puckers some shine. Just like that. Let's go. Well guys, I think that is the face all put together. I'm gonna put on the rest of my outfit so we can get this look finished, prepped, and set. Well, hello. Hi guys. Veronica LaForce back at it again on the table of content, making her debut. But yeah guys, this is the finished look. This is my Pride outfit that I wore. Well, this is my day outfit. I wore my Beyonce look and was it stunning. Like this look, nice little proper little sun hat, and I say little, but this thing is humongous. Like keeping me out of the sun, keeping it shady up in here, like lots of shade. But guys, I think that is it. This is the finished look. Oh my god. Welcome back, Veronica. Like, Pride was one thing, but right now, oh, she's come out in full force. LaForce, that is. But guys, oh my god. I hope you guys had fun as much as I did. Like, making it this far, if you guys did, thank you. You're true VIPs. Oh, hello. I wish I had a gig to go and perform to. It's late and but this is my day look. This is the look I walked around with, strutting my stuff. People got to know, love, and take pictures with during Pride. But yeah, guys, like I really wish I could bring her out. Like people kept saying that when I danced, or just maybe the way I looked like Beyonce. So if I guess I'll just take up the picture. So give me a second. Yes. All right, so this is the picture that I am most proud of in the entire world at this moment. Miss Veronica all up in her pride, like Beyonce, just all the all the vibes, all the Veronica vibes. Like, look at that. Yeah. So guys, this is the outfit I slayed in at Pride. Here she is, Miss Veronica, out in full LaForce. Thank you very much. But yeah guys, this is my outfit and this is the end of the video. Once again, I know it was a long one, but if you made it to the end, thank you so much. It is so appreciated. But yeah guys, this is my Pride recreation with Miss Veronica. Thank you for having her on the channel. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed yourself and following along on this recreation rainbow look. As always, make sure you click like, comment down below, click that subscribe button, and once again, that bell icon right there so you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. But make sure you guys have a good rest of your day, night, wherever you are in this world, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Getting this wig to stick on is not fun, but you know what? It ain't staying on for long. Okay, let's go.